Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Rajaram Karade. Today is 9th of February 2022. Today I am going to explain today's topic, that is access modifiers in a Java. Access modifiers in Java. This is the original video. Now going to the topic. First of all, discuss about what is the access modifiers in a Java. As the name suggests, access modifiers in Java helps to restrict the scope of a class, constructors, variable, method, or data member. There are the four types of access modifiers available in the Java. There are the mainly four types of access modifiers in the Java. First one is a default, second one is a public, third one is a protected, and last one is a private. Now discuss about the first part, that is a default access modifier. First of all, what is means by access modifier? Default access modifier. When no access modifier is specified into the class, the method or data member, it is said to be having a default access modifier by default into the Java. The compiler provides the by default access modifier into the Java. The data members class or method which is not declared using the access modifiers is known as a default access modifier into the Java. The only within the same package we can access the data into the default access modifier. Now discuss about the next part of next type of access modifier, that is a private access modifier. In a private access modifier, the private access modifier specifies using the keyword private. In Java, while programming, the keyword used for abstract keyword will be used for the abstract class, abstract method, private method. The access modifier is private access modifier is used into the programming. The methods or data members declared as private are accessible only within the class in which they are declared. Any other class of the same package will not be able to access those members because the private access modifier. The private means only visible within that class, and protected means only visible while the enclosing class and any subclasses. This is the difference between private means private method and protected method into Java. And because of this, the modifiers in terms application of classes apply only nested classes into the Java, and not it is applied for the top level classes. Now discuss about the next type of access modifier, that is a protected type of access modifier. The protected access modifier is specified using keyword protected. The protected keyword used into the protected method. The methods or data members declared as protected is accessible within the same package or subclasses in different package. This is the definition of protected. Now discuss about the next type of access modifier, that is a next one is a public access modifier. Now discuss about the what is the public access modifier in Java. The public access modifier is a specified using a keyword public. In the public access modifiers has the wider scope among all other access modifiers into the Java. In that public method, classes, data members, and methods are declared as a public, are accessible from everywhere in the program. That means we can access anywhere into the program. Now there is no restriction into the public for the public to the data members. These are the four main types of access modifier. The access modifier the important is that if other programmers use your class, try to use most restrictive access level that makes since a particular member use private unless you have a good reason not to avoid public fields except the constants. Now next one is discuss about the next important part